Hey guys, Niki with Vapor Honing Technologies. I'm reaching out to you today, wanted to talk to you about another surface finishing process, sandblasting. We're doing some sandblasting as well as wet blasting. Where sandblasting is a little bit different is that it does use air with the Venturi nozzles. It's going to be something that it's going to hit with more of an impact. It's going to be a little bit more aggressive. There are chances where you get into a situation with dust, but that's where the dust collector comes into play. We can use all the abrasives for smoothing, for finishing, cleaning up, deburring. All of those situations is something that sandblasting is really good for. One of the disadvantages is going to be the dust that it creates. Again, as I mentioned, you can get the dust collector, which is going to help keep that as a safer environment. Also, it's going to be more costly as far as the abrasive that you're using because it does break down a little bit faster. Wet blasting, you can use your abrasives for about 4 to 6 weeks. Dry blasting, aka sandblasting, will definitely give you the opportunity to clean a little bit faster. So whatever questions you have about sandblasting or wet blasting, we would love to help you out today. Give me a call back at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.